Today on the OMI Show, pie crust, leaf cookies. It's the OMI Show! Hi, I'm Mommy and welcome back to the OMI Show. And it's my channel, subscribe. Don't forget to click that like button. Today we're going to make leaf cookies to celebrate the beginning of fall. But first, let me put on my apron. That's better. You will need baking sheet with parchment paper, pie crust, butter, sugar, cinnamon, rolling pin, leaf cookie cutters, and a brush. Okay, let's get started. Step 1. Roll the pie crust out. Step 2. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter and brush some on the crust. Step 3. Put some cinnamon in the sugar. Then mix it up. Then sprinkle it on the crust. It smells so good already. Step 4. Use the cookie cutters to cut out leaves. Step 5. Put the leaves on the baking sheet. Then brush them with the rest of the butter. It will look like this when you're done. Step 6. Then bake the cookies for 8 to 10 minutes at 350 degrees. Did you know fall is also known as autumn? Fall is one of 4 seasons. It is the transition from summer to winter. Daylight becomes shorter, leaves fall off trees, and the temperature cools down in fall. Okay, now that you know, let's get back to the leaf cookies. Don't they look delicious? Now for the best part, the taste test. These are yummy. How do you enjoy making leaf cookies? You make it, tag my Instagram. If you like the video, click that like button. Haven't tried, do that too.